How to change your name in Zooba. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are playing Zooba and want to change your in-game name, firstly open up the Zooba game on your device and from the main menu, go ahead and tap on your profile button at the top. From your profile section, find your name and tap on the little pencil button right next to your name. And then, in order to change your player name, you'll need to go ahead and spend 130 gems. If you have it, then you can go ahead and type in a new name and tap on the purple button at the bottom of the screen. If you are changing your name for the first time in the game, then it might let you change your name for the first time for free. Once you finish changing it for the first time for free, next time you'll need to pay with gems. So that is how you can easily change your name in Zooba. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.